Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you another brand new testnet project which is called Netrun. So Netrun is a Solana-based meta protocol that lets developers create dynamic on-chain assets and programmable NFTs instead of normal static NFTs. If you check their pin post, they announced their testnet is now live and you can participate early. So the testnet is open to developers and creators globally. And this project is fully backed by Solana, so that's great. I'll show you how you can participate in this project. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest crypto airdrop news and updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To participate in this testnet, first you need to claim faucet. So you need to claim Solana DevNet faucet. So I'll provide the site link in the video description. To claim faucet, you need any Solana based wallet. So I use Phantom wallet. Here you can choose any other wallets as well. So here what you need to do is activate DevNet. For that, click here on profile. Then here at the bottom, click on settings. Scroll down and find developer settings. Then here activate testnet mode. And Solana DevNet mode is automatically selected. So now as you can see, testnet mode is currently activated. Now you need to copy your Solana DevNet wallet and paste the address here. Then click on amount and here you can choose how much you want. For example, I want 5. Then click on confirm airdrop and wait to confirm verification. And done. So to check your testnet token, simply open your wallet, then scroll down. And here as you can see, I have just received 5 SOL tokens. Next you need to come to this site. I also provide a Telegram post link in the video description. So after coming to this page, first you need to connect your wallet. So click on connect. Then choose the same wallet. So I'd select Phantom wallet. Then click on connect. And confirm the request. And now finally you are set to go. So here basically you need to do some activities such as create tokens, mint tokens, create NFT collections, etc. So here as you can see, all participants create their tokens, etc. So here you will find some options such as tokens, where you can see others tokens. On the collection section you see others NFTs. On the leaderboard section you see top rankers and your ranking also. There's a market section where people sell their NFTs. So here you can mint others NFTs. For example, let's select this one. Then click on mint. For minting you need around 0.003 something SOL. So click on create imprint. Then confirm the request. And done. So now to create your own tokens, click here on create. Then here first you need to select your token symbol. Then here select max supply. And then set mint limit. Then click on create imprint. And confirm the request. And it's done. Then click on mint. Then select your token symbol. Then again click on create imprint. Then confirm the request. And done. Next click on NFTs. And here select your image. And put a short description. Then click on create imprint. And confirm the request. And done. Next click on names. Then choose your domain name. Then click on create imprint. Then confirm the request. And done. So here as you can see, our project is also live here. Like that you can create your own projects and keep active here. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.